Garvin Industries malleable iron liquid tight connectors come with a 90-degree turn. These quick and easy connectors are used in wet, hazardous, or outdoor locations when a watertight seal is required between liquid tight conduit and the box or enclosure. To install these is quite simple. Simply remove the compression nut, remove the inner sealing ring, as well as the steel ferrule. You now have the body of the connector. Okay. Take your liquid tight conduit, place the gland on the body of the liquid tight conduit and set it back. Then put on your sealing ring. At this point, you need to thread in the ferrule to the inside of the conduit. Now, the end portion will dead end back into the threaded portion. You then slide up the sealing ring and install the compression gland. Make sure you tighten with channel lock pliers. Remove the lock nut. Rubber gasket goes on the side of the weatherproof box. Lock nut is installed from the inside of the box. Watertight seal at the conduit, as well as a watertight seal at the box opening. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.